Hey guys, just going over my weekly trades that I took last week that made me make $5,000. So starting on Monday, if we look to the left here, we've got this huge void, this new week opening gap. So this is what I'm going to be targeting. So we've got a small point range here in Asia, and then we have pre-market here. As we see, push up in pre-market, we come down, we open here at 9:30, we push up, Judas swing, we take out all this liquidity here, and now I'm just waiting to see a reversal down targeting this sort of area here. So as we see here, we've got two fair value gaps here. I drew them out both. Now all I'm doing in here is waiting to see strong displacement through these fair value gaps, invalidating this fair value gap, and then I'm going to take the short. As we see here, we come out, sweep liquidity over here, we come displace through these fair value gaps. Textbook trade, I enter on the close. I enter here, I take 80% of my profits off at this swing low, this 931 low here, and then I ride it out till pre-market low. You could have rode it out up until new week opening gap, but I took off my full position because it was an A+ trade. Okay, that was Monday, no more trades after that. Once you take a trade like that, you leave, close your computer down, you go off. Anyway, so Tuesday, the next trade. So coming into Tuesday, again, sort of we were kind of moved up in pre-market overnight. We come into New York, we have 9:30 open here, we kind of push up, we consolidate a little bit, we come down. We had red folder news at 10 o'clock, so I wasn't going to take a trade before then, so I'm just sort of waiting. This candle here, this bearish candle, is the 10 o'clock news, and as you see, we've got two abnormal wicks. So when we have something like this, what I wait to do is to see one of the wicks get taken out first, and then target the opposing wick. So we create this candle here, we're chopping around, chopping around, chopping around. We take out this news wick low candle, or what I want to see is strong displacement up to this upside and targeting this wick here. Not this one. I mean, you can target up here, but you know, from back testing, typically this is the wick that I'll be targeting. So we take out the low here, little displacement down. Obviously, if we were going to continue bearish, we'd be seeing large candle closes down here. Anyway, we chop about, here we are. I enter on this bullish candle here. I mean, if you look at this bullish blue candle here, already that tells you that it's a bullish sign. You know, with respect to this wick low, I enter on the candle close. My stop loss would have been if we invalidated this fair value gap here. We didn't. We held the CE of the fair value gap perfectly. Targeted this news wick high for just under a 3 risk to reward ratio. Don't get greedy, take your profits, leave. That was done for the day at Tuesday. Very nice A+ trade there. Remember, it was Thanksgiving, so I was only going to trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because Thanksgiving Thursday, and then Friday was a half day, so I wasn't going to trade them. So then we come over to Wednesday, which is one of my best trades in a while, actually. If we come over here, this is 9:30 open. You know, we've been chopping around, and then bang, 9:30 we just dump, continuously dump. So what I'm doing here is I'm being patient. I'm not rushing into, you know, any sort of long setups here or here, thinking, oh, it's got to go back up, it's got to go back up. No, I'm patient. I wait. Here we are. You know, this is the afternoon now. This is lunchtime. Typically, I won't trade at lunchtime, but I was waiting to catch the reversal. So we took out this liquidity here, and on the 30-second time frame, again, we had an inversion fair value gap down here. I've only got the 1 minute time frame up now, but once I saw that with such bullish momentum, I couldn't not take it. I didn't go in my full position because if we're sort of catching the bottom, you know, you're likely to get stopped out a lot. But no, we did in fact catch the bottom of the day. Entered on this candle close here. The stop loss would have been if we inversed the 30-second fair value gap. I went in, you know, with sort of 10 micros here. My first take profit was this swing high, which we took out very nicely. My second take profit was this second swing high, which I took most of my position off here. And then my last one, we had some equal highs up here around 10:30. That was my final take profit. Crazy trade, you know, a 7 RR trade. And yeah, that helped me make $5,000 this week. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments. And yeah, look forward to doing more trade recaps.